Hello friends, welcome to you. In this video, we are going to see 4 ways to take a screenshot in Windows 11 operating system by the very simple way. First way is entire screen. Press print screen on your keyboard. Just press print screen. Then just go to the any document or paintbrush, Ctrl+V and your screenshot at here. To save this, just press Windows print screen and your screen is dim for a few seconds. Then just go to your folder, any folder, and just go to the picture at here and screenshot, and here is our screenshot. Just go to the screenshot folder. Next way is selected window. Just go to the any windows or any app and then just press alt print screen and just go to the paintbrush or any document and paste it, Ctrl+V. Here is our window. Okay, now third way is selected area. Just press windows+Shift+S button and then click on selected area and select your screen and just go to the any document or paintbrush and paste it. Here is our selected area is coffee. We are once again press windows+Shift+S and select this button. Okay, and it is freely working on your PC. Okay, now you can select your area and then just go to the here and just paste it and your selected area at here. Okay, the final way is snip and sketch app. Just go to the start, type snip and sketch app. Here click on the new, click on this first area, then select your area. Here is our selected area. Then we can just do anything, make a paint or do anything. Then just go to the save at here and save it on the desktop or any folder. Okay, and the last is snip and sketch app and new, and just select this and it can select randomly or freely on your screen. Okay, and save it on any folder or document. Okay, so guys, this is the simplest 4 way to take a screenshot in Windows 11 operating system. So guys, thank you for watching this video and don't forget to like, share, comment on this video and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you guys.